All right. All right. So let's build Dexter. Also, where's that? Okay, so GPT-5 codex is now available in Cursor. So I want to try that as well. But yeah, we have Dexter. The like front page looks like this right now, and then we have the actual dashboard. So I figured we might want to take a look at the front page and actually make something in there. Try out the codex. Try out the new model for that as well. So yeah, let's start with that. Yeah, so let's first, select the new model. What's the stats? Okay, latest coding model, good for daily use, 272K context window. That looks fine. Let's flesh out the front page for Decster.ai. Let's see what it comes up with. All the existing UI components, and then implement hero and key marketing sections on there. Yeah, that's fine. Can we actually click any of these? Yeah, we can click any of these. And it'll show us the results. Oh, right. You used 19% of your usage limit. That's nice. Good you have that there. And also the context. Context size, so 20k tokens right now. Okay, auditing is done, and then implement here on key marketing sections on page.tsx. I have no idea if page.tsx is the right page. Where is it? Right, okay, yeah, that makes sense. So we can add some actual content on that. Have a login button or a button to the dashboard or something. Yeah, that should be better. Alright, edit failed because of timeout. seen that before. So I suppose it's trying to create way too long edits, maybe. I mean, I wanted to try out the Cortex model, and at least it like uses tools pretty well, and don't see any like failed edits here. Reads a bunch of stuff used to do it just fine. Can't really, based on this, can't really tell if it's a smart tool or not. But I mean, the diff times out a couple times. Let's add that to queue since apparently it's failing. Yeah, planning full file replacement via patch. So it's just trying to do way too much at a time. Yeah, that should be better. All right. It highlights. I mean, let's just take a look at that. Yeah, I mean, that looks much better. Much better already. Yeah, it most likely misunderstood what Dexter is about. But I mean, the page looks much better. Oh, it still adds stuff. Testimonials. All right. Oh, yeah, I completely misunderstood the point of the tool or Dexter. That's fine. This is already much better. Right, yeah, we can check the responsiveness. What does this look like on iPhone 14 Pro Max? Looks fine. Alright. I mean, one of the things that I would like personally is to have please add a button for the user to go to the dashboard if they are already logged in. logged in. My button should be there should be log in and sign up buttons instead. That's a small change, but would be nice. Hero CTA. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Go to your dashboard. All right, that's nice. And what does this look like if we are not logged in? Okay, I mean, it's fine. Yeah, I mean, it looks fine. A lot of white. That's not really that like theme in that in here, but yeah. Okay, that's just text. Let's take that and ask it to please add this type of Dexter logo. This dashboard to the front page. I'm not sure what that. Can I reset this somehow? There we go. And this type of Dexter logo that is on the dashboard with the front page. Okay. Now let's try that. What does it do? And then I really think we should, I mean, we should take a look at the structure of this page, the actual like text copy, and actually have the identity for the application Dexter. Here, this is placeholder stuff that the AI just, or the model just came up with. Also, this isn't really true right now. But yeah, we have the Dexter. Okay, that's kind of nice. Where did you pick the image from? Okay, that's nice. at docs. Do we have? I think we have specified what the application is actually for. Anywhere. Your reference architecture's current status. All right, so we should have this kind of we use 21% of your usage limit. Right, so that took a couple percents. That's fine. Okay, so I think we really should have kind of document that describes the application, what the problem is, and okay, I'm not sure what this document should be called, but yeah, let me the model probably knows. And the documents on the docs folder focus on technical details around the application, like architecture and data model, the actual business use case, user stories, actually business case, user stories, customer profiles, etc. are not described anywhere. Some like document, I'm not sure if it really matters, but like yeah, naming is also important. Give me some document names. Actually name ideas for this kind of document. So when we have the document, then we can actually edit the contents on this page to be more accurate. Decster is not for K-12 teams. I'm not sure what that is, but that's not really. Yeah. Decster will have this kind of what's it called? Browser extension for students. So we probably should have placeholder on the front page for a link to download the extension, something like that. Print status. What's going on? What's going on with that? Why is my at not working? That's weird. Well, we can do this. Okay, for some reason this is not working. I'm not sure what's going on there. Hey, do I have a message? Live chat? Yeah, I'm seeing a chat message somewhere. I can't see the message for some reason. Yeah, no idea. How can I find? Let me see if I can just hop into the stream a little real quick. Maybe there. All right. All right. Yeah. Anyway, let's take a look at the executive summary, market and problem context, product vision and goals. That's fine. Yep. Core value proposition, product pillars and key features, user journey and stories, business model and pricing considerations, go to market and adoption plan, risks and assumptions, roadmap, next horizons. Yep. 1 through 7 are fine. Yeah, we can extend it a bit later on. Let's just get it started right now. please create a document and add initial ideas to each section. Let's go with that. Could not find current status entry in the workspace. That's interesting. I mean, it's right there. Can I actually pages? Let's go with that. Okay, I can tag that for some reason, but I can't tag the current status for some reason. Yeah, I don't know why. So let's do that at this point. Yes, please. Wait, what? Cannot edit files. That's interesting. Are these like in cursor ignore or something? Huh. Interesting. I mean, you can still create the file just fine. Let's take a look at what's cursor ignore. I mean, docs are ignored there. Okay, let's stop that. Please just create the document in a project root folder instead of in the docs. Yeah, let's just delete this. At this point, I'll commit this. Let's commit just that one. That's fine. Anyway, honestly, should push this at this point. Alright. Where did it create that document? In the root. Okay. Oh, there's still something wrong maybe. Yeah, all the MD files are blocked. What's going on with this one? Why are these ignored? Okay guys, I mean, you probably want cursor to be able to edit the docs. So like, this looks like a git ignore file. Sure. Yeah, these are good to have. Yeah, I mean, most likely don't want to have a cursor to read any of these. But yeah, this is fine. I mean, coverage files would be fine for a cursor to read. Yeah, sure. I mean, these are whatever git ignore stuff. Also, git ignore stuff. It doesn't really matter if cursor reads the store. Yeah, I mean, I suppose that's fair enough. I have no idea why cursor would want to read an exe file. Wait, what? Why are these ignored? Oh. Yeah, this looks like more like a git ignore for the most part, instead of a cursor ignore. Alright, I mean, it doesn't really matter since cursor just wrote the whole thing anyway. School community owners with instructional operating system unifies lesson design, classroom co-pilots, and evidence collection. Yeah, that's probably something like this. 612 months is weird. AI fast layer to automated planning, facilitation, reporting, so communities can scale without diluting outcomes. I mean, a lot of these are just stupid. Like, time to launch to differentiate school academy. I mean, sure. Let me temporarily just comment out these ones. Yep, let's delete this one and let's get back here. Yep, and let's just revert. Okay, Decster.ai transforms school communities into high-touch learning ecosystems, preparing creator tools, student co-pilots, and AI-driven evidence capture. I don't understand this. I don't like the wording if I don't understand it. Product brief should open with a crisp statement of the mission, equips school-based educators with AI workflows that scale personalization without increasing workload. Can we now actually include this one? Yeah, let's do that one. Let's have it actually read it. the problem context this type of school, like ecosystem community owners juggling content, coaching, student engagement without strong analytics or AI support. Content prep, lack of structured assessment, limited visibility into progress. Mention trends, demand for AI assistance in based learning, need for compliance-ready evidence as community is professionalized. Unified AI layer for school that keeps every stakeholder aligned and mastering engagement. I'm not sure if this is exactly right. But I mean, this is not for me to decide. Yeah, I mean, this is roughly right. And the classroom builder would probably be very nice. Ensure quality training, track progress. Yep, this looks roughly good. Please create. Actually, can you make it by anything to cut to I'd like to crystallize everything. What would be included in an MVP? It's been yeah, I mean, renewal expansion through higher student engagement. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, let's remove the evidence and statistics tracking for now. And to clarify, this is not my job to figure this out. So I'm trying to create a minimal starting point for the product owner to actually fill this out. But the always on coach, you nailed that too. Actually, I mean, I might want to just look through core features, implement registration, API routes, for creators, upload and manage content, create and manage courses and lessons, monitor student progress and engagement. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Yep, looks good. Please behave better. Right. And then the next step. Yeah, let's just read that. That's fine. Right. Next, please update the front page contents to match. Yeah. Probably figures it out just fine. Do we have anyone in chat? Live chat, nothing in chat right now. Okay. About chat. Okay, so we have a low bit rate for some reason. That's fine. Alright, so now it should take a look at all the content and actually edit it to be. Okay, we have some problems here. Okay, so this is actually normal, so while cursor is changing things, it most likely temporarily breaks things, so that's actually fine. So we can just wait for it to finish. The model made no changes to the file. Alright, so my impression of GPT-5 codecs thus far is, I mean, I don't really know, it's pretty good. It's fine. Based on this, I'm not sure if it's better than GPT-5 at code, honestly, it's fine. Alright, purpose built for modern K-12 teams. Beta cohorts, creators live in Decster. Thousands per week. Go to your dashboard. That works. Nice. design standards, align lessons, web orchestrate code teachers and surface actionable insights from every classroom without adding to your workload. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty bad still, like, honestly. in so many regards. The design is like fine, it's not great, but it's fine. And the copy is not great. What the hell, why is there? Please delete the link to the product brief in the page footer. Yeah. Also, please delete, change the text in to be like something more about school community owners. Our school owners. I'm not quite sure what it should say there. Like, don't. Yeah. Okay, I mean that's. Yeah, that's much better. Take a copy on that page and critique it. Okay. I mean, at least it can critique. It's just fine. Classes the school position in district implies K-12 institution instead of community operators. Okay. Please fix this. Please fix all the identified problems, and especially everything that refers to K-12 and switch to something like that. I mean, it's nice that it can just MVP checklist. This is just weird. Why is it even there? Okay. CJ buttons, FAQ section. Yep. I mean, that's nice that it can go through the copy that it wrote by itself and check what is wrong, what is bad. human oversight, I mean, there isn't really human oversight in that. Creator autopilot, always on coach. Also, this is just the same page. I'd really like to split multiple agents. One thing that I haven't talked about is that we have this like new agent window, which I have not tried yet. I don't really know how this works, so I would like to try this out. But as long as we are working just on the front page, I really can't have two different agents working on the same thing. So I suppose I gotta check that a little bit later. Yeah, but I mean, the code right now is just there's some HTML, but like all of the content is just in these like variables. Interesting choice. I have no idea why it does like this. All right, let's check this. Drop in for school, evidence on demo, always on coach, creator autopilot. Yeah, much better. Yeah, it's better. So can you describe those? And let's do that one. And let's sync those changes, and I think that would be all for today.